Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to circle to search on screen or through your camera on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra with the new circle to search feature, you can simply draw a circle around any object or text on your screen or point your camera at something in real life and instantly search for it online. So as an example, if you open up a Google Chrome or Google, and let's just say I want to search for this picture here, I can go ahead and long press on home screen. I can go ahead and use the circle for search. And this will basically search for this image online. Now this is one way of searching. Another way of searching is using your camera app. Now, for example, if I want to search for these headphones here, I can go ahead and long press on the home button, go ahead and circle this. This will now search for that image online. So there's no need to type what you're looking for, just circle it and get instant results. So it's great for shopping, translating, identifying landmarks, and much more. So there you go guys, that's how to circle to search on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.